In this recording in our series of multi-depth drilling, we'll show you how you can actually get these values filled in automatically, and this is based on the updated stock. Now, first let me get rid of some of the levels that I put in here. I can either click on it and then click on the X, that will remove it. Click on that one, and that will remove it as well. Okay, so I'm back to the beginning, and let me actually go to the side for a moment and click on the box called Updated Stock. If I click on it, you can see that my stock is exactly with these cut out, but there is no hole drilled yet. So that is my stock. This space is empty, and this is empty. If there were stock inside over here, then there would be no levels. It will be actually everything manually put according to the way in, because there's always material to be put in. But in this particular case, there are levels that do not have material on it, and those are cases where you want to actually control the areas that you want to drill in, a regular drill or a lot faster. The way this is done is with a simple click. We have here an option called Capture Stock Levels. By clicking on it, it will automatically populate all of the levels that it needs to get to. The end over here, which is this, and then the beginning of the next one as it goes down. And over here now you have complete control of what you want to do at each level. For example, the first level that I'm at, I want to have the full diameter of the tool going past the part, and I want to have it at a delta of, let's say, -1 millimeter. The next level, I want the cutter tip, so I'll put it on cutter tip. And don't forget, with each one of these levels, you have feed control. So in this particular case, I want to have it at, say, 1,000 millimeters per minute. Over here, I'm going to leave it at 300, and I'm going to have it back at full diameter with a delta, again, of -1. And I can do this all the way down. This one, cutter tip, feed rate 1,000. This one, full diameter. And don't forget, for each one of those where I am actually drilling, I can also use the option of peck drill as well. Go back over here, put in peck. Each one of those I can put in peck. Continue on down where we have this, what we've done before. We still have this one, which is going down to the cutter tip at a feed rate of 1,000. And the very last one, I want to have a feed rate of 300. And this one also, I want to have this as peck. If finish this, then it'll go automatically back up. If I want to control how it goes back up, I can add another one at the very end. And I'll say at the very end that I want this to go to -2. And then it'll go up. I can have this delta at Z. Feed rate, I'll have it go up a little quicker, let's say 500. And if I want to even do it counterclockwise, I can change this to counterclockwise. Basically, you have control of everything you want. Coolant on, coolant off, all that is controllable. Let's take a look at the simulation. Save and calculate and simulate, and you'll see the following. The tool will go down. Let's take a look actually at the side view. The tool goes down. Then the next level, let's actually split the view so you can see it through the part itself. You see it's pecking, going to the bottom, millimeter past. Now it goes to the next level as well. And then it continues on to the entire area over here. Now, you'll note also that every single time it went up to the clearance level. This can be also controlled as by every single one of them that went down in the drilling cycle. I don't have to have a full tree track. I can also say segment start level or peck clearance level. Give it a specific clearance level. And I can do it for each one of these that I want. This one here, peck clearance level, that one, and so on and so forth. Save and calculate again, simulate, and again, you'll see as it goes down, now it stays down every single time until it gets to the bottom. In our next recording, we'll take a look how this can be used on a hole that's just plain old very, very deep without break marks, and how we can control the feed and spin rates as we go along.